Welcome to Wealth Builders Wisdom, your gateway to financial mastery. Have you ever pondered if it's within your power to tune your mind for greater financial success? Absolutely. Let me take you on a journey, revealing how I reshaped my thinking to unlock a world of wealth, and you can too. Imagine crafting the life you've always dreamed of. It all begins with crystal clear goals. Picture this. You're aiming for an annual income of $100,000. That's roughly $8,500 monthly, or about $2,150 weekly. But let's say that figure feels like a distant dream right now. Fear not, for the first step is clarity. Know your target, whether it's weekly, monthly, or yearly. Next, embrace the power of positive affirmations. Repeat after me. I am elated and thankful now that I'm earning $10,000 a month. Make this your mantra, morning and night. As you do, close your eyes and vividly imagine receiving this money, as a check, cash, or direct deposit. Feel the joy as you see it boosting your bank balance. But don't stop there. Envision the ripple effect of this wealth. How will it transform your life, uplift your family, benefit your community, and support the causes you cherish? Dive deep into this mental blockbuster, starring you as the lead, making these dreams a reality. This practice does more than just feel good. It engages your brain's left prefrontal cortex, your inner genius, your personal Einstein. This mental workout is your ticket to finding creative pathways to your financial goals. For those craving an extra edge, let's talk vision boards. Digital or physical, it doesn't matter. Populate it with images that embody the life $10,000 a month will grant you. The cars, vacations, homes, and philanthropic opportunities, see yourself there. Each day, challenge yourself with this question. What can I do today to inch closer to this income? Complement your mental exercises with tangible steps towards your goal. It's this blend of mental and physical actions that sets the stage for true financial transformation. Loving the insights so far? If you're finding value in our journey together, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our Wealth Builders community for more empowering content. Now, let's delve deeper into the mechanics of this brain training. It's not just about daydreaming. It's a structured approach to reprogramming your mindset, steering it towards abundance and success. This is not mere wishful thinking. It's a strategic exercise to align your subconscious with your conscious goals. Consider the law of attraction. It states that like attracts like. By focusing on positive, financially prosperous thoughts, you're setting the stage to attract similar real-world outcomes. It's about being in the right mindset to recognize and seize opportunities when they appear. Moreover, this approach isn't just about money. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance in all aspects of life. It's about developing a wealth consciousness that permeates your thoughts, actions, and interactions. So, what exactly does it mean to train your brain for financial success? It's about more than just dreaming of wealth. It's about conditioning your mind to identify and create opportunities. Think of your brain as a garden. Just as you would nurture seeds to grow a bountiful harvest, you need to nurture positive, wealth-focused thoughts to cultivate a rich life. Start each day with a clear vision of your financial goals. Visualize not just the end result, but also the journey. Imagine overcoming challenges and celebrating victories. This visualization process isn't just fanciful thinking. It's a proven technique that athletes and successful entrepreneurs use to achieve their goals. Incorporate daily affirmations into your routine. Affirmations like, I am a magnet for financial abundance, or, I create wealth easily and effortlessly, can reshape your thinking. By repeating these affirmations, you're programming your subconscious mind to align with your conscious aspirations. Also, surround yourself with success stories. Listen to podcasts, read books, and watch videos of people who have achieved the financial success you aspire to. These stories are not just inspiring, they provide practical insights and strategies that you can apply in your own journey. Let's talk about action, the bridge between dreams and reality. Setting goals is crucial, but without action, they remain just dreams. Each day, ask yourself, what small step can I take today towards my financial goals? It could be as simple as reading a chapter of a financial book, attending a webinar, or reviewing your investments. Remember, it's the cumulative effect of these small steps that leads to big results. Networking plays a vital role in wealth building. Connect with like-minded individuals who share your financial ambitions. These connections can open doors to new opportunities, provide valuable advice, and offer support when challenges arise. Now, let's address a common misconception: that wealth is solely about money. True wealth encompasses more than just financial resources. It includes having time, health, strong relationships, and a sense of fulfillment. As you pursue financial wealth, don't neglect these other vital areas of life. Balance is key. Understanding your relationship with money is pivotal. Each of us has a unique financial blueprint, shaped by our upbringing and experiences. Some of us view money as a security blanket, while others see it as a tool for freedom. Recognizing your money mindset is the first step in transforming it. Ask yourself, what are my beliefs about money, and how do they affect my financial decisions? Now, let's add an exciting twist: the power of technology in wealth building. In this digital age, there are countless tools and apps designed to help you manage and grow your wealth. From budgeting apps to investment platforms, technology can be a powerful ally in your wealth building journey. Embrace these tools. They can automate your savings, track your spending, and provide valuable insights into your financial habits. Also, let's not forget the role of philanthropy in wealth building. Giving back is not just a moral duty. It's a way to build a legacy and create a positive impact. By contributing to causes you care about, you're not only helping others but also enriching your own life. Philanthropy can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment that transcends monetary value. Remember, every big achievement starts with a thought. Your thoughts shape your actions. Your actions shape your habits, and your habits shape your destiny. By aligning your thoughts with your financial goals, you're taking the first crucial step towards making them a reality. As we wrap up, let's not forget that the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, persistence, and a positive mindset are your allies. Keep pushing forward, keep visualizing success, and keep taking those small, consistent steps towards your goals. And there we have it, Wealth Builders. A blueprint for harnessing the power of your mind to catapult you towards financial greatness. Before you go, smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. And subscribe to Wealth Builders Wisdom for more content that turns your financial dreams into reality. Until next time, keep building your wealth and wisdom.